Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Bitcoin has shown a little bit more of a rally into resistance today, but we're far away from that critical $60,600 level, which would need to break for a first indication that a low has formed. Bitcoin could really use this, but the microstructure to the downside appears unfinished still, so we might still get one more low. I currently expect one more low. You know that, sometimes the last low doesn't form, but there is currently no indication that it would go the other way. So it takes a break above 60,600 to indicate that we might not get another low, because that's our signal level. That's signal resistance. Anything below that would not give us any signal, whatsoever. It's just sort of, that is the key level. But we're going to zoom in a minute. Structurally, no change at all. One more low, two more lows, and downside support levels will be talked about. Overall structure still in a fourth wave, caught in a fourth wave correction, which started in March. Currently, preferred assumption is that this is a W, X, Y structure, and the Y wave is an A, B, C, but the C wave is unfinished. So I'm not going to confirm a low in place yet. After the fourth wave is finished, I'd like to see a fifth wave to the upside into the $90,000 region, but we are not there yet, okay? And it takes a break above resistance minimally to suggest we have started the pathway to 90K. And the C wave would be a 5-wave move. We have completed wave 1, we've completed wave 2. Wave 3 could be completed. I can make a case for 5 waves in wave 3. It could be completed. But then bear in mind that if this already is the fourth wave, it needs to have a little bit of, it needs to be in proportion with wave 2 to a degree at least. Wave 2 lasted 4 days. The wave 4 is sort of an ABC structure, which has only lasted 1 day so far. And there is currently no indication that we are breaking out or anything. But, when we have a wave 2 that takes 4 days, you would expect the wave 4 to take a similar number of days. But it's not a must. It's not a must, specifically not if we might still be in the third wave, which don't have a very clear preference for. I will see how the price reacts if we get one more low, and then we'll highlight, okay, we might need another low, correction is finished or not. That's the process, okay? We're currently focusing on further downside because we are in a downtrend since March, middle of March. And in this downtrend, we are now holding below resistance, and any movement to the upside is currently corrective. So there's no reason to, let's say, believe anything different. Currently, resistance levels that are coming next are 59,600. That's the 38.2 retracement, and typically an ideal level for a fourth wave to react. We already saw reaction to that level yesterday after Jerome Powell's speech. And then the next level is 60,600 pretty much. That's the 50% fib level normally. We don't want a fourth wave go beyond that level, not in a downside impulse. And above that, the next key level to watch is going to be the wave 2 high at 64,850. This is the swing high from the 30th of April. Now, as I said before, the movement looks corrective, especially the rally from yesterday's low. It appears to be a 3-wave rally, therefore there is no indication a low is in place. First indication would be a break above 60,600, but it takes the development of a 5-wave move to the upside at the very least to confirm that we've bottomed. So 5 waves up above resistance, that is, which would be the next higher wave degree, like this. Wave 1 would be in 3 waves, wave 2, then wave 3, 4, 5. But let's first see if we break above resistance, then we can track 5 waves as well. And then it takes a corrective pullback, forming a higher low. Yeah, basically like a 1-2 setup to the upside. And that would be the second confirmation that a low is in place. So, and then we can sort of build on that. But for now, there's just nothing. And the next downside targets, if the move down starts from here, Next downside levels to watch are 55,961, 55,626, 53,400. These are the next key levels to watch. Doesn't mean we have to get to all of them, but they are the next downside levels to watch for the next wave down if it starts from here. If it starts from a little bit higher, maybe from the 60,600 level, that 50% retracement, then especially here the micro levels, yeah, that I added today here between 55,620 and 53,400, they might need to shift to the upside a little bit with the price, but it wouldn't change much. Yeah, so the situation is broadly unchanged. I know it's quite depressing. It might be, I don't know, it might be that it's going to stretch into the weekend, especially if this is the main wave 4. But that's highly speculative, and there's nothing that I would say it will do. It's just something that, you know, because the wave 2, as I said, took 4 days, maybe the wave 4 will also last a few days. And then, you know, we're already in Saturday, you know, Friday, Saturday, and then on Sunday we might get a decent move, but we'll see. Overall, corrective price action everywhere in the crypto sector, pretty much sideways consolidation today, few minor reactions to the upside, but that's everything. So hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.